Hey guys, it's Kay and I'm back with another swatch sesh. Today I'm featuring the brand Naps and Nails, which is a brand that I learned about around springtime of this year, really all because of one polish, which is the one I have right here called Orchis Communis. Now, this polish is a lovely thermal lacquer that goes from clear to turquoise. Okay, I've been trying to pronounce this right, turquoise, but it goes from clear to whatever this color is, turquoise. And it also has flakies in it. I'm gonna swatch it for you so that you can see what it actually looks like. It's amazing. But the brand Naps and Nails, they are made in the USA. They're 5-free, they're vegan, they're also cruelty-free, and they participate in some monthly collaboration events like Hella Handmade Creations, Little Box of Horrors, Not a Box, and probably others that I'm forgetting. So if you want to really keep track of what they're doing, just make sure to check out their social medias. But yeah, with all that being said, let's get to swatching these. The Midnight Sun. So this was Naps and Nails' contribution to May's Hella Handmade Creations event. Keep in mind, some of the polishes I'm swatching today are no longer available since they were made for HHC. So the Midnight Sun has an off-white, kind of like a milky sheer white base when not in the sun, because this is a solar polish, and it also contains a super fun mix of glitters in various sizes and colors like neon pink, neon green, purple, and also this light sky blue color. Let's check out the thermal color shift. I am using a UV flashlight, but going out in the sun will also trigger the effect, which makes the off-white base turn into a purple color that still plays super nicely with all of the colored glitters that are scattered throughout. Yum Yum Yellow, which was the brand's contribution to June's Hella Handmade Creations, and what we have here is a yellow base filled with linear holo, and it goes beyond that because we also get a color shift from golden orange to a pink red. Now it's just a wee bit sheer, but I found that 2 coats was enough for me. Keep in mind that this polish is no longer being sold since it was made for the HHC event, but if you bought it and are seasonally appropriate, then I'd say this one falls along the lines of summer and also fall season. Wolf's Bane. This was another contribution, but this time to March's Little Box of Horror theme, which was werewolf. Now this is a tri-thermal that contains blue shimmer and iridescent shifting flakies. The polish typically begins at this pale lilac shade that you're seeing as I'm applying it. However, let's check out the reactions to other temperatures. So exposing the polish to really cold temperatures turns it into a beautiful deep warm tone purple, or like a fuchsia color. Now take a look at the middle state, which is more of a periwinkle. You're seeing all 3 states here, and these colors work so great together. Now sometimes with trithermals, it could be a little rare to naturally reach the coldest state, in this case the fuchsia color, because usually the temperature needs to be really low to trigger the science. So just keep that in mind if you're into trithermals. Gemstone Valley, yet another contribution, this time to July's Polished Gamers box. Now this is a magnetic lacquer which starts off as a kind of like antique gold kind of color, so if you want to rock this in its unmagnetized state, then this is what it'll look like. It is very elegant, very fall, and even end of year celebration type of color. You also do get some hint of blue sparkle here and there, and this is because when magnetized, all of that scattered gold color is suddenly pulled together, leaving this beautiful purple, blue, green, multi-chrome landscape around it, which is still a great color combo for the fall and winter months if you are a seasonal wearer. And then we have Orchis Communis. So this is the thermal that I mentioned in the intro. It is a thermal base that holds iridescent flakies. Now the polish typically starts off in this turquoise color, which is beautiful in and of itself, and coverage is very nice. I only needed 2 coats, but the real magic comes in with a change of temperature. So let me show you what I meant when I said it goes from clear to this turquoise color. Warmer temperatures will trigger the science, making this polish turn clear, but the flakies still manage to come through beautifully. Now, this is one that I personally think is really fun for the summer, spring, and I don't know, maybe even winter, because I can easily associate any blue leaning color to winter. Now, keep in mind that you do not need water to create this color change. Your own body temperature can take care of that for you. TLDL, here are all of the naps and nails polishes I showed today, and I had a few goals here. One of them being to show you a very small indie brand that you may not have known about, and also to present a few different types of their finishes and type of polishes so that you can get an idea of how the brand has executed these styles. But regardless of the style and the special effects, one thing is for sure, the formula was truly just consistently a pleasure to work with. It was super smooth, like a fresh syrup type of smooth. And I also want to make note of the nice fan style brush that came with each bottle, which I personally love because it's just one more thing that makes my life easier. I do have full manicure pictures of all except Wolf's Bane on my IG if you want to check those out, but make sure to stop by next week for a new swatch sesh. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.
Subscribe.
Thank you for watching so much. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you.